For the uninitiated, a monitor is just a screen for your PC. But more specialist users know that getting the right monitor for a given task is critical. HP manufactures a wide range of monitors for all users, but it's important to know how they differ, which features you need and which you don't. To that end, we're looking at a selection of the best HP monitors in 2020 for casual users, hardcore gamers and everyone in between. Drawn from their premium design and creativity-focused HP Z series, the HP Z32 is big enough to easily render complex projects while reducing the hassle of scrolling or toggling. Designed for stability and a comfortable viewing experience, this model is mounted on a robust 2-pillar column. As far as performance, it provides the standard 3840 by 2160 pixels at 60 Hz native resolution with a 1300:1 contrast ratio and 14 milliseconds gray to gray. It also has an expanded range of adjustability options that allow for more customization than smaller models. For tilt, you'll find 25 degrees of adjustability, with a 120 mm height range on the 2-pillar mount. You can even swivel it up to 90 degrees. The HP Z32 may be a larger financial investment, but at that price you get a big screen upgrade and the extra reassurance of a 3-year limited warranty for parts and labor. While it's not technically a 4K monitor due to fewer pixels in the height of the screen, the HP Z38C Ultra-Wide QHD is still worth mentioning in our list of great 4K monitors. Designed to provide an immersive experience for streaming, gaming, and browsing, the HP Z38C 37.5-inch ultra-wide curved monitor offers a unique curved PC monitor and an ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio. Built with a 2300 mm radius that supports your natural field of vision, this monitor is the perfect way to upgrade your multimedia experience and how you multitask. With so much continuous screen space, an ultra-wide monitor is a great substitute for multi-screen or dual monitor setups that tend to use more power and take up extra space with cords and separate mounts. Instead of jumping from one screen to another, you'll experience a continuous field of view with the HP Z38C. For technical specs, you'll find the standard 4K resolution of 3840 in the width but slightly less than standard at 1600 pixels high. It also has a 14 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time and the same deep adjustability options as the HP Z32 4K monitor. HP Z27-inch Dream Color Studio monitor is another exemplary choice for professionals working in the creative arts. A Quad HD display with HP Dream Color technology means the entire color spectrum is at your fingertips. A built-in colorimeter allows you to manage the look and feel of your project at all times. If you are working across multiple displays, you can expect reliable consistency for all color and contrast ratios thanks to integrated tools within the monitor. Easily pull up calibration histories or use new configurations using a network connection. When you switch computers, the process is simple and effortless thanks to the built-in KVM switch and keyboard shortcut. You can choose from 8 different color presets or simply create your own to suit your needs and projects. Need to run a color calibration process but don't want to interrupt your workflow? Just use the automated settings to run the calibration after hours. It's the recipient of a scientific and engineering award from the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, and you won't be surprised by this accolade when you hear about its top features: a boosted horizontal display resolution of 4096 by 2160 pixels that meets the Cinema 4K standard. To guarantee a fit tailored to creatives, the HP Z31X was designed in collaboration with a variety of artists and studios. You'll maintain accuracy by manually performing color calibration whenever you start a new project, or you can schedule calibration to take place regularly. Plus, you'll streamline your workflow with the variety of built-in tools. You'll find other core changes to the standard 4K configuration, like a static 1500:1 contrast ratio and truly extensive connectivity options that include legacy ports and USB Type-C. And for comfort, there's a new range of adjustability features, too. Shift the tilt across a 35-degree range plus or minus 45 degrees for swiveling, and enjoy 117 mm of range for changing the display height. The Omen X Imperium 65's matte black cabinet measures 32.8 by 57 by 3.3 inches, HWD, exclusive of the depth of the feet. Top and side bezels are practically non-existent, given the overall screen size, a mere 1/8 of an inch wide each, and the bottom bezel is just 1/2 inch wide. The back of the cabinet is molded at a slant, with a number of tiny, diamond-shaped holes cut into the angled section for heat dissipation. In the middle of the back panel is a diamond-shaped HP Oman logo in metallic red, bracketed by 4 holes for a VESA mount. The power cord socket is to the left of the logo, as are an on/off button and a mini joystick control. The controls are the size they would be on an ordinary monitor and look comically tiny on this enormous cabinet.